What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. This is part 2 of the blind unboxing. My wife got a lovely package from Temu. I have no idea what's in it. If you guys didn't check out the first part, link will be in the description. I'm gonna close my eyes. I'm gonna reach in, pull it out, and let's find out what's in the box. Okay, my eyes are closed. Yes, my wife is here. My children are also here. Make sure I'm not cheating. It is a blind unboxing after all. My eyes are closed and I am opening the box. Here we go. Okay, the box is open. And what the heck? Okay, this is very wide.
Put it down.
Okay.
3,
2,
1.
1.
Open it.
Yo, yeah. Okay, oh my gosh, I love these boxes. Like, I would have these boxes on my desk. So I still have the box here from the first one. Here it is, the Umidigi A series. It's a tablet, and if I'm gonna jump the gun because I kind of feel like it might be a square tablet, which would be cool. But holy moly, here it is. We have it here. This is the Umidigi A13 tablet. Now, my wife's got some explaining to do because, wow. Okay, all right. Kind of speechless. I didn't expect the tablet, to be honest. Same way I should have expected it because I didn't expect the phone. You know what? Never mind. On this side, just the label. Nothing on this side. Beyond Dreams. I think that's Umidigi's thing they're going for. Android 13 again. 8 gigs of RAM. This time 128 gigs. So this also works with SIM cards. So 2 nano SIM cards or 1 nano SIM and a 1 SD card. 7,500 milliamp hour battery. This thing is not going to die very easily. Of course, I'm going to put it through its paces.
And might I add, it's really exceptional on games, so you gotta try that out for possibility.
This is exceptional at gaming. We're gonna find that out. It is expandable up to 1 terabyte, so that's very cool as well. 10.5 inch, full HD, 1920 by 1200 pixels. It does have a dual camera setup on the back, 13 megapixel plus a 2 megapixel, and the front is an 8 megapixel camera. All right, wow. All right, we're going to bust the seals here. Let's get this guy out here. I can't believe it. Let's put this to the side. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. When you spend your money, you want your thing to look good like this. Look at this. This is actually insane. I'm guessing the tablet is going to be in the case as well. We get a proper, full-on, my good gravy. Look at, oh my gosh, let's just put that to the side for now. We'll get to the piece that is estanched in a moment. We do get a stylus, okay, a generic one, but guess what? It's in the box. That's what counts. We have the stylus, we have the startup guide. We have, there's even like, even the box, it's just the attention to detail. It's just amazing. And we have a SIM ejection tool, okay? Again, this I'm guessing is another C to C cable. Very nice. Again, not too long, but very nice. We have some Umidigi branding on that there. Not sure if you can see it, but it is slightly branded. And then again, in the box, Samsung recently came out with their S10 Ultra tab, and there's not even a charger in the box. And I'm sure that tablet costs something like $1,000, over $1,000. Look at this charger in the box, and I guarantee, and this, I mean, I know for certain this did not cost $1,000, but, and I still got more value for the money. This tablet, again, under $200. The phone under $200. The tablet under $200. And we have a case, the charger, cable, and a stylus. Generic though it may be, we still have it in the box. And if you're like me, you have plenty of different styluses around anyways. Let's take a look at the charging brick. What do we have here? So this is 5 volts at 3 amps, 9 volts at 2 amps, or 12 volts at 1.5 amps. This is an 18-watt charger. This is a fast charger. So just like the phone from the previous video, again, if you haven't seen it, link in description. Wow. Samsung, Apple, Sony, OnePlus. Come on, man. You guys gotta be doing a little bit better. Here is the device in a nice fitted case, buttons, cutouts everywhere. It is a quad speaker setup, 2 speakers here at the top of the device, and we also have 2 speakers at the bottom of the device with the USB Type-C port. We have the volume rocker and power button at the bottom. All right, no headphone jack on this one. Look at that. Let's go and remove it from the case for now, so we can take a look at the hardware. The tablet already feels nice and heavy, which I like in devices. I like heavy devices. I don't know if I'm the only one, but oh my, this feels so heavy. Ooh, wait, look at that. Beyond dreams. That's beautiful. That is one beautiful tablet. Look at that. My goodness. You Medigi? Yeah. You're definitely doing it. Now the struggle to take the sticker off cleanly. Definitely not plastic. A little bit of smudge right there. I'll clean that off a little bit later. Wow. Unbelievable. The button is nice and clicky. Definitely metal. It does have a factory screen protector on there. Don't know if you guys can see that, but there is a screen protector on there. I'm going to leave all of that on there. This feels, my goodness, this feels ridiculous. It actually feels ridiculous. Let's take a look at the case. The case is beautiful on the inside of the front flap. It's nice and textured, right? A regular TPU style case, but man, the value that you get from these companies, it literally puts Samsung, Apple, all these big OEMs to shame. Less than 200 bucks, man. You know, if you buy an iPad, you're not getting a case or the keyboard case or whatever like that. That's going to be an extra 100 bucks, $80 max. And let's be real, Apple, it's anywhere from 100 to 200 bucks for the case, right? Which is ridiculous. And I believe, no, I think we can actually use this case as a stand. Yeah, perfect. You can actually fold the case back like this and use it as a stand. Beautiful. All right, so here we are with the setup. I'm going to set it up and I will only stop to talk about anything that is worth talking about. All right, so we are in and it's smooth. It is smooth. Oh my goodness, no lag, no artifacting, no signs of slowdowns or nothing. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. All right, and there's a notification coming in. Let us test out I don't even know what to test out first. First, let's go to the settings. Is this dark mode? It kind of looks like this might be on dark mode already. Let's see here. Dark mode, nope, dark theme is off. Let's go ahead and turn it on. There we go, much better. Okay, this should also show up a little bit better on camera. Let's go to the settings. Okay, and let us go to storage. So right off the bat, it's 128 gigs and we have 117 available. Very nice. Let's go down to about, and let us see, A13 tablet, Android 13, 8 gigs of RAM. Very nice. Okay, and we have gesture controls, language input, system update, multiple users, reset options, privacy, security, RAM expand some of the storage space into running memory. So this is very cool. When the fuselage storage is sufficient, part of the storage space can be extended to the running memory. So you can expand your RAM. I believe it's very similar to RAM Plus on some of the Samsung devices, and other Android device manufacturers have something similar as well. We have the similar smart controls, wallpaper styles, display settings. Again, I like to set mine to about 5 to 10 minutes. You can actually have it to never screen timeout, sound vibration, storage battery. The battery, like I said, we have a 7,500 milliamp hour battery. This battery should last, again, putting it through its paces, gaming and those type of things. It's going to definitely take a toll, but we'll have to take a look at that and see how it is. I like that we do have the toolbar here on the bottom. Of course, I'm going to be running a third-party launcher on it. Maybe, actually, you know what? I might not even run a third-party launcher. We'll probably see how this goes. Because just like with the phone, that now for the next week, maybe 2 weeks, I'm going to be putting the phone and the tablet through its paces. So stay tuned for that review. I'm not sure if I'm going to do a separate review for both devices or put them together. But wow, this is amazing. Let's check out the speakers. It is quad speaker setup, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom, or 2 on the left, 2 on the right. So let's go ahead and take a listen to these speakers. Let's go ahead and put this in full screen. Yep, and let's hit play. Today we're going to be looking at something new. Let's see if we got max volume here. Oh, I just locked the device. That's not what I meant to do. Background plays on. Yes, I know. Let us put this in.
And today we're going to be making a
oh, that is nice. I have to raise my voice over it. This is nice.
Now this was sent to me by the awesome folks over at
Let's make sure that we got the best quality here. It's on 360p. Let's go ahead and throw this up to 1080p.
I am going to do an unboxing and review it, and all thoughts and opinions shared.
Yo, that's so vibrant and beautiful. Just look at that. If you guys have not checked out this video, the good folks over at Red Dragon Shop sent me this keyboard for review.
Amazing folks over at Red Dragon Shop has sent me the Red Dragon K16 mechanical keyboard. RGB, it is wired, it's transparent switches, and the color of the keyboard itself is transparent white.
Go ahead and check that video out, link will be in the description. Wow, this thing is beautiful. So this is how you would be experiencing your media like that, and you're sitting back and you're just relaxing while you're also using your UMIDIGI A55 device, watching your A13 tab.
Alright, so I'm just going to...
UMIDIGI, you guys are building an ecosystem, keep it up. Because people want this. I want this. I don't want to spend $1,000. Let me go ahead and stop this. Nobody wants to spend over $1,000 or $1,000 for a phone or a tablet. Okay? And the good folks like UMIDIGI are doing it right. They're starting to build an ecosystem, and I love it. First of all, the boxes. I'm in love with the boxes. These colors are immaculate. These colors are insane. All right, this thing is beautiful. You get the case, you get the fast charging, like, oh, the magnetic case, it closes the device. So it actually locks the device when you put it on. You know, some cases don't do that, but the sensors in this are amazing. Let's go ahead and check the charging before I call it an end to this video. Hopefully, we know that we do have the charging animation on the phone. There's the charging animation. You can see little bubbles are actually filling it up. It's all so okay. You know what? That's for the phone. All right, here we go. Let's see. Do we have charging animation? Oh, UMIDIGI, what? Where's the charging animation? We have it on the phone and not the tablet. Let's close the screen. Maybe let's see. No charge. Okay, that's an opportunity missed. But we still have fast charging. Really? No charging animation? Oh, that's kind of a letdown. That's kind of a letdown. But as you see here, charging rapidly. It is an 18-watt fast charging brick. All right, awesome. So that is going to wrap it up. Keep in mind, again, this tablet is less than 200 bucks. The cost of it on Temu, because yes, this is a Temu product, the cost of the UMIDIGI A13 tab on Temu is $160, 32 cents. You cannot go wrong. Android 13, 7500 milliamp hour batteries, dual camera setup, my goodness. Full HD display, quad speaker setup on this bad boy. It says it is an efficient gaming tablet, and to find out if it really is, you're gonna have to check back in a couple of days or a week or two for the full review of the phone as well as the tablet. And yeah, stay tuned for that. I'm telling you, man, these devices are just getting better, and you're getting actual value for the cost. for the money that you work so hard for, you're getting the actual value for it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video looking at the Umidigi A13 tab. I know it's gonna actually be a beast. I know that. I can tell. You got the charger in the box, you got a case, you got a stylus, you got this awesome box to put on your shelf. You know me. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a thumbs up. Really appreciate it. Check the links in the description for the other corresponding videos that I mentioned in this video today. And there is a Temu link also in the description. Check out Temu. Check out these devices on Temu using that link. And yeah, as always, I'm Picasso. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. I'm out.